Today we're making the world's smallest wedding cake. Look at it. I'm so tempted to just, it's like a little bite. And the worst thing about a little bite is they give you like 4 in a pack. Do not ask me to share a little bite. First thing we're gonna do is fill the cakes. And I have some strawberries here. And I felt like vanilla cake with fresh strawberries is very wedding-y. Let's cut them in half. I'm gonna cut it like this. Boop. I'm gonna pipe some buttercream. Now I'm just gonna smooth it out. Add some fresh fruit, just like you normally would with any other cake. Now I've made a couple mini cakes in my past. Some may say I'm a pro at this point. They're just so fun to do and different, you know? And now we're just gonna wanna crumb coat this tier. I think it would be fun to do a marble design with the fondant. And it's harder to do that with buttercream. First tier, done. Now we're gonna do the same thing 2 more times. To the fridge. This is the only rolling pin I have, and this is the amount of fondant we're rolling out. So don't judge me. I usually make bigger cakes. Okay, so for the middle tier, our taller tier, I want it to be like a pretty marble. So we're gonna marble pink and white fondant. I want it to be primarily white, so I have my white fondant here. And what we're gonna do, take a small piece of pink. We're just gonna put it on, like little pieces. And we're just gonna twist. Twist, twist. So now we have some type of pattern. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We have a beautiful, I don't know if you guys can see it. It's so tiny, but it's there. And you just gotta lay it over your cake. There you have it. Next cake. Okay, so now it's time to stack the wedding cake. If you want to make cakes like me, you have to jump. Boom. Boom. Okay, now we're gonna add our flowers. Use a little water to attach them. Cake! Now we're gonna add a little bit of gold. We don't want to add too much. Gold? Oh no. I mean, so cute. I love it. What do you guys think? I think I can eat it in one bite. I don't think so. I can. I can't. If you liked the video, be sure to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.